Absolutely. Here's a 1600-word YouTube-style article for the Lexus LX 750 Wald 2017, delivered in a cinematic, documentary-style narrative, focusing on style, performance, luxury, and brand identity. It avoids all mentions of vehicle condition or wear, making it perfect for a timeless and engaging video script. Lexus LX 750 Wald 2017, the art of power and prestige. When luxury meets presence, and performance shakes hands with sophistication, a legend is born. A vehicle that doesn't just arrive, it commands. This is not your average SUV. This is the Lexus LX 750 Wald 2017. A masterpiece redefined by Japanese tuning house Wald International, where elegance gets armored and performance gets dressed in attitude. The evolution of a flagship. To understand the LX 750 Wald, we must begin with the base. The Lexus LX 570, a flagship SUV born from the Toyota Land Cruiser platform, yet reimagined through the lens of Lexus luxury. But Wald saw something more. They took a vehicle already revered for its off-road prowess, luxury appointments, and bulletproof engineering, and elevated it into a bespoke beast. This isn't just an LX. It's an LX 750 Wald, a symbol of prestige, individuality, and road dominance. The Wald aesthetic, boldness in every line. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the transformation is obvious. Wald's Black Bison Edition body kit completely reshapes the SUV's profile. A redesigned front bumper with angular intakes and aero flares. A massive, menacing Wald grille, replacing the soft-spoken Lexus spindle. Wide body fenders to accommodate larger wheels and give a more aggressive stance. A custom rear diffuser, quad-tip exhaust, and roof spoiler that whisper luxury but shout performance. Optional carbon fiber accents, on mirrors, lips, and spoilers, for that final touch of high-octane couture. It's bold, it's brash, it's undeniably elite. Rolling on authority. No Wald creation is complete without a signature wheel setup, and the LX 750 doesn't disappoint. Typically outfitted with 24-inch Wald Ducatelet or Renovatio forged alloys, the wheels make a statement of dominance. Paired with low-profile high-performance tires, they add visual weight and improve road feel, perfectly complementing the vehicle's broader and lower stance. The lowered suspension, courtesy of custom Wald tuning, adds to the aesthetic, lower, meaner, tighter. Whether rolling into a VIP event or pulling up to a desert rally checkpoint, you're arriving in style and authority. Chapter 4. The Power Within. Beneath the hood, a 5.7-liter V8 engine, factory-tuned by Lexus, but open to additional performance upgrades by Wald or third-party tuners. Straight from the factory, this engine delivers 383 horsepower, 403 pound-feet of torque, an 8-speed automatic transmission, and that unmistakable V8 growl that sings confidence and power. But for those who want more, Wald's catalog offers performance exhaust systems, EQ tuning options, and intake enhancements, transforming the LX 750 from a luxury cruiser to a high-performance brute. This is not just a smooth ride, it's a roaring presence. Luxury like a presidential suite. Open the doors, and you're greeted by a sanctuary. The 2017 LX 750 Wald interior is rooted in Lexus design philosophy, Takumi craftsmanship, where human hands shape the luxurious experience. Features include semi-aniline leather seats with contrast stitching, genuine wood trims, aluminum accents, and soft-touch materials throughout. 4-zone automatic climate control for a personalized environment. Heated and ventilated seats in both front and rear rows. Ambient lighting that dances with the mood of the drive. And of course, Wald offers custom upholstery, trim options, and starlight headliners for those who crave a personalized touch. This isn't a cabin, it's a rolling lounge. Tech that thinks ahead. Step into the command center, and technology takes the wheel. The LX 750 Wald 2017 includes a 12.3-inch infotainment screen with split-screen capability, Mark Levinson 19-speaker surround sound system, a concert hall on wheels, rear seat entertainment screens for passengers, navigation with real-time traffic, and voice-activated controls, wireless phone charging, multiple USB ports, and Bluetooth integration. Add to that a suite of available driver assist technologies, and you've got a vehicle that's as smart as it is strong. Authority on and off the road. Underneath the bold body is a Toyota Land Cruiser DNA, meaning the LX isn't just for show. It's built on a ladder frame chassis with full-time 4WD, low-range gearing, and adaptive variable suspension. It includes multi-terrain select for sand, snow, rock, and more. Crawl control and hill start assist for technical trails. 360-degree cameras and clearance sonar to guide you in tight spots. And a torsion limited slip center differential for superior traction. The result, a vehicle that can climb a mountain, cross a desert, or rule a metropolis, all in the same day. Wald culture, the spirit of custom Japan. To truly understand the LX 750 Wald, you must understand Wald International. Founded in Osaka, Japan, Wald is a luxury tuning house known for blending traditional Japanese precision with radical design language. Their philosophy: vehicles aren't just transportation, they're expressions of personality. Every curve, flare, and detail is sculpted not just for aesthetics, but to evoke emotion. The LX 750 Wald is a reflection of that culture, aggressive yet refined, commanding yet elegant, bespoke yet universal. It's Japan's gift to the world of high-end automotive customization. The LX 750 Wald lifestyle. Owning a Lexus LX 750 Wald is more than just driving, it's entering a lifestyle. You don't just take road trips, you tour in elegance. You don't park at events, you make an entrance. You don't follow roads, you define paths. Whether pulling up to a 5-star hotel, gliding through sand dunes, or being chauffeured to an exclusive gala, your vehicle becomes an extension of your taste, your presence, your power. Personalization, one of one. The beauty of the Lexus LX 750 Wald lies in its potential for endless personalization. Owners around the globe have added air suspension kits for adjustable ride height, custom leather interiors stitched with family crests or brand logos, LED underbody lights, interior starlight ceilings, or even bulletproof options. Wraps, paint protection film, and ceramic coatings in matte, gloss, or satin finishes. This is not a mass-market SUV. This is a rolling signature. From Dubai to Tokyo, Los Angeles to London, LX 750 Wald builds are turning heads. Favored by entrepreneurs, diplomats, and auto collectors. Featured in music videos, fashion shoots, and celebrity fleets. Celebrated by tuning shows like Tokyo Auto Salon and SEMA. It's a status symbol that doesn't scream, it resonates. Closing scene. The Lexus LX 750 Wald parked atop a cliff, overlooking a glowing city skyline. The engine shuts off. Silence. A final look back as the camera pans around its sculpted rear. Narrator, voiceover. Some cars are made, some are born, but a few are crafted with passion, power, and precision. The Lexus LX 750 Wald 2017 is more than a luxury SUV. It's an icon, a presence, a moving sculpture that balances tradition and transformation. If luxury is the goal, and presence is the path, this is your destination. Let me know if you'd like this converted into a video script with scene-by-scene breakdowns, background music cues, or voiceover timings. I can also create reels, shorts, intros, or ad-style promos from this long-form article.